Activism, meaning. Activism refers to the practice of taking action to bring about social, political, or environmental change. Definition: activism is a noun that describes efforts, actions, or movements aimed at influencing societal or political change. It often involves campaigns, protests, or advocacy to address issues like human rights, climate change, or social justice. Examples in sentences. 1. His activism in promoting environmental awareness led to significant policy changes. Here, activism refers to actions taken to promote environmental causes and influence policies. 2. She has dedicated her life to activism, fighting for equal rights for all. In this example, activism refers to working actively for societal changes, especially in the context of equality. Usage: activism is used when referring to actions or efforts aimed at creating change, often through advocacy, protests, or public campaigns.
English practice.